Welcome to the water cycle. If you're looking to better understand this three-step cycle, I hope this video can help you. The water cycle, which is also called the hydraulic cycle, is the continuous process by which water is circulated throughout the Earth and its atmosphere. The Earth's water enters the atmosphere through evaporation from bodies of water and from ground surfaces. Plants and animals also add water vapor to the air by transpiration, otherwise known as breathing. The water cycle has three main steps: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, all of which are very easy to understand. First, we will look at evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up waters in rivers, lakes, and the ocean and turns it into water vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam will then rise and go into the air. The water vapor that was formed in evaporation then helps in step 2, condensation. In condensation, the water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into its liquid form, water. The liquid form then forms clouds up in the sky. Those clouds in the sky then lead us into step 3, precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed from step 2 that the air cannot hold it any longer. The clouds get way too heavy and the water falls back to Earth as rain, hail, sleet, or even snow. Heavy clouds let go of the water in the precipitation step of the water cycle. The cycle then begins itself again. The water that was either rained down, snowed down, hail, or sleet is then naturally collected by rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, and the ocean. The Earth then carries itself through the water cycle, first by evaporation, then through condensation, followed by precipitation. The water cycle is a very important process that the Earth is able to naturally carry out on its own. The water cycle is so important to humans and animals and even plants because without the water cycle, water wouldn't be distributed globally. Water is the most vital thing for all living creatures, and without the water cycle, it would be very hard to survive. With the help of this video, I hope that you can always remember the 3 steps to the water cycle and how important they are to everything on Earth.